everyone. In this video I'm going to explain how I make USB OTG mode work in my mobile phone. Recently I bought Android phone. It is Huawei Accent P1, I believe, and it has many different interesting features, one of which is USB on the go mode. In this mode it is able to become a USB host, so I could connect other peripheral devices to it. This feature not described anywhere in manual or in operation system itself, but it is quite common in modern devices, and also I find a data sheet for a processor. It is Texas Instruments OMAP 4660, I believe, and according to the datasheet, this processor can operate as a USB controller, not only device, which is a usual feature, but I'm personally interested in the ability to connect flash drives to the phone or some other interesting peripherals. So I bought so-called USB on the go cable, which is used for connection of flash drives, for example, to the phone. But when I connected it, nothing happens. So this is a micro USB connector. I cut it out of cable. It has 5 pins. Let me zoom. And this is very important. Usual USB has only 4 pins, which is ground, power, and 2 for differential data line. But this one, micro USB and mini USB, has 5 pins. And this 5th pin is exactly what determined how the device should behave. Should it become controller or should it become device? So, for example, if I connect it to the phone like it is, nothing happens, and if I use voltmeter, particularly to most left and most right is important, but also any other combination shows nothing. This one and this one, it not actually have pin on it, but the metal thing is actually there. This one and this one. Soldering time. now you can see this one and this one are connected, and if I connect it to the phone right now, so it has voltage now. But this is not the end of the story. When I tried to connect flash drive to this connector, I found out it still doesn't work. Operation system logs shows errors and still nothing happened. So I decided maybe the voltage is not enough, because it is kind of weird. I get only 3.5 volts from it, but normal voltage for USB is 5 volts. So I decided to make some improvements. This is second attempt. This is other micro USB connector. It is kind of similar, but it is from another cable. It is much easier to solder, but basically it's the same. What I done here is I used battery charger for as power supply for powering this connector, and I'm not using power from phone other than goes in charger. So now I got 5 volts here. And now if I open terminal, so now it finds it, but there's some more issues. As you can see, it is the output of this command. So it says it's find new high-speed USB device, but it rejected it because of insufficient available bus power. So basically the phone don't know the drive is powered by external power supply, and it's still thinking it is used the phone's own power. So I find solution for this. You need rooted phone for all this, of course. So now I can do whatever I want. as a root. Enter. Okay. And now it's working. It says it find 2 GB device, and it gives its name SDA and SDA1 for first partition, and also you can see it is now shiny. It is not necessary for all devices. Some of them, like mice or keyboard, also few flash drives work without this. It is dependent on device power requirements, and obviously this flash drive has much more power requirements than this phone can provide. As you can see, new config 1 with this line. New config 1 exceed power limit by 300 milliamps. So anyway, now I'm gonna go to the file manager, SD card, and I'm gonna create a new folder. Let's call it QWE. I've got a QWE folder. So for example, this is total commander. Go to MNC ext SD card. This is our QWE folder. So full path is MNC ext SD card QWE. I'm going to open terminal again, and I'm going to mount it. This command is gonna mount the flash card to the file system. This option still in. I'm gonna use UTF-8 for file names. Otherwise, I got some random characters or question marks in Russian file names. This is file system type on flash drive. It seems not support NTFS, but ext2 when I tried worked well. Next is our device. This is devlock SDA1, and next is our mount point. This is MNT SD card QE. Enter. No errors, right? I'm gonna open File Manager, and now in SD card QE we say it got one file, and this is our file on flash drive. This is flash drive. I'm gonna open it. Yes. And this is it. As you can see, I'm playing movie on the phone out of flash drive. External hard drive or USB hard drive are also working well for this. To unmount it, I'm gonna open terminal again. And just type OK. And now if I'm go to File Manager, of course there is nothing here. And also some bonus video with USB mouse. Now it's safe to remove. This is our USB mouse. This is it. And now I got tiny mouse pointer here. Also, you can connect multiple devices through USB hub. Now I got mouse and the keyboard. Let's open terminal. Mouse also work here. and keyboard. So that